Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of HSA 1102 Introduction to Healthcare. All right, so for week 3, your reading assignment is Chapter 12, Lifestyle Management, Chapter 13, Professionalism. Yes, we're revisiting that, and Chapter 14, Lifelong Learning. So for week 3, you have your 2 discussion questions. First is to describe how diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures contribute to healthy living. Feel free to list examples of healthy living in your own life. So what I want to see here is that you address all 4 of these. Diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures. Tell me why they're important, and then how do you or don't you incorporate these into your personal life. Maybe talk about where you can use some help or where you do really well. Um, then your second response is to read and review professionalism in chapter 13 in your own words. And when they say your own words, based on your reading, what have you learned about professionalism and what it means to you without regurgitating what's in the book, but tell me in your own words based on what you read. In addition to telling me what professionalism means to you, I need 3 examples for each category. So professional behaviors, I need three examples and how you might plan to incorporate those examples into your professional life. For professional behaviors, for professional healthcare skills, again, 3 examples and how you plan to incorporate those into your professional life. And then professional appearance, 3 examples and how you plan to incorporate that into your professional life. And then, of course, you have your responses to your fellow students as well as to any posts that I might provide. For week 3, you have an OSHA assignment. Now, this is in a quiz type format. You can take this assignment as many times as you like until you receive a grade that you're happy with. However, you have to score at least to 70% to pass this class. So make sure that whatever score you are happy with, it's at least 70% or higher. So make sure that you take that and take it as many times as you like. For the week 3 quiz, again, you have 2 hours to complete a 15-question quiz on chapters 12, 13, and 14. Then your extra credit, if you're not able to attend the live session, then provide me a summary of what I talked about with specific examples of what I talked about. If you're in the class, make sure that you're responding. We haven't had a problem with that this term, but make sure that when I'm asking questions that you're responding so that you get the extra credit that you are there for and to get the information that you're there for. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy week. Now, I will say chapter 4, there is another written assignment. It isn't due until the end of week 4. You do not have to submit it to the OWL. However, I do suggest that you do submit it to the OWL so they can look at it, make their recommendations, and help you become a better writer. Again, not required for this assignment, but if you choose to do it, please do so. The one thing I will say, you can go ahead and get started on that now, but make sure that you're writing it in APA format, that you have a separate title page, you have in-text citations within the body of your paper, and that you have corresponding references on a separate reference page. If this is all foreign to you, please go to the Program Resources section of the Blackboard Classroom, click on it, go to the APA tab. There are several resources there that will talk about what APA is, how we use APA, when we use APA, and why we use APA. If after reviewing all of those resources you're still confused, contact me and we'll set up a one-on-one Kaiser Live and I can help walk you through APA and try to help you understand what APA is. You are going to need this in subsequent classes, especially your English composition, possibly your literature classes if you're taking any. But English composition, I can guarantee you you're going to need it, and it's better that you learn it now than then, because you're going to be doing critical thinking writing in addition to trying to learn APA. So I'm trying to expose you to it now. It's going to be part of your college curriculum. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day. Have a good week.